Hello and welcome to Easy French. My name is Sangita and today we are doing grammar exercise number 2, Mettez au féminin, Mettez au féminin. So in the following video we are going to make the sentences into feminine, means we are going to change the sentences from masculine to feminine. And guys, a request that before this video, go through the video of French adjectives to describe physique and personality. It's a short video. So this is the video. The link is there in the description box. So without any delay, let's start. So now, il est petit. Il est petit means he is small or short. Now, what you should do is when you are doing this exercise, take a paper and pen and then write down, okay? And then write the English translation and then try to translate into French again, okay? So let's start. So, il est petit means in English, il means he, a verb etre is, and petit means small or short. Now translate this again into feminine. Change it into feminine. So for he, feminine will be what in English? She. Is will be same only, is short and small. No change in English. Short and small. So he is short or small. Then feminine will be she is short or small. Now you change this into feminine. Okay. So for she, what is the feminine pronoun? Elle. So elle is a verb etre a. La over here also la. Now petit. Now petit in French masculine is petit. Now you should know your adjectives very well. Okay. So petit in the feminine form will be e. It will take a e. So la petite. Clear? Now let's see the second sentence. Now ils sont masse. Il masculine plural pronoun. So in English it will be they, sont verb etre are, and masse is thin or slim. So they are thin or slim, masculine plural. Now feminine plural English will be they are thin or slim, no change, they and they. But in French, opposite of il is always elle. So elle in the plural form. So elles sont mass. Now mass does not change because mass in masculine and feminine it's the same spelling. Only plural takes an s. Both the places s over here in the plural form, right? Because elles sont is plural. So all these girls are thin. So elles sont mass. Clear? Il est grand. Il translation will be he. Etre is, and grand is tall or big. Now translate this again into feminine. Change it into feminine sentence. So he will be she. Verb remains the same, and tall and big adjective in English is the same. He is tall or big. She is tall or big. Now we have to change it into feminine. Il est grand is masculine. Now feminine will be she, will be what? Elle. Your verb same, etre. So L A and grand. Now grand, to make it feminine, will take a e. So it becomes grande, right? So L-A, grande. Now il est joli. Joli means pretty, but il est joli means masculine. So for masculine, we never say pretty, we say handsome, right? So il est joli, he is handsome. So we translate it into English, it will be he is handsome. Now write it the same sentence in feminine form. So he will be she. Verb etre remains the same. A is, and handsome will change to pretty in the feminine form. So in French, she is what? Elle. Then is will be a, and pretty will be jolie. Now jolie over here and jolie over here same. So in feminine form, jolie will take a e. So elle est jolie means she is pretty. Clear? Let's see the next sentence. Now next sentence is ils sont intelligents. Now ils masculine plural. So translation will be they, sont is are, and intelligent is intelligent. Means they are intelligent. Okay. Now change it into feminine. So they remains the same. They are intelligent. In English, no change. But this is French. So il will change to elle in the plural form. Elle, sont remains the same. So sont and intelligent remains the same. Now in the feminine form, we have to add what? S. And to make it feminine, we have to add a E. So we have to add a E and S. E for feminine and S for plural. It's already a plural sentence, right? So elles sont intelligents. So elles sont intelligents. Elles sont intelligents. One more sentence. Now this is tricky. Tu es faux. Tu es faux. Now tu is used for masculine. Tu is used for feminine. So let's see. First translate it into English. So tu means you. In Hindi, tu ya tum. So you are, fo means strong. So you are strong. So this is masculine. In the feminine form, what is the feminine of you? No change. In English, same. So you are strong. Same. In French, tu, any pronoun for feminine, il becomes elle. But what about tu? Tu does not change in the feminine form. So tu, a, and then for strong, fo, we are going to write fo and add a e to make it feminine. So tu es forte. Tu es forte. Masculine, tu es fort and tu es forte. Okay. One more sentence. Now this is also a little tricky. Je suis robuste. Je suis robuste. Now let's translate it into English. Je means I, suis is am, and robuste is sturdy. Now feminine form of I is what? I only. Both we have seen that je is used for both masculine and feminine. Also in English, I, a boy can also say I, a girl can also say I. So I am and sturdy. Same thing. Now what to do? So in French also it remains the same. So je suis and robuste. Now you have to be dead sure about your adjective. What we are going to add to this robuste. So robuste, je suis robuste. So robuste is an adjective which is same in both masculine and feminine, no change. Clear? So your je suis robuste for masculine and feminine is the same. One more, je suis beau. Now, this is also a little tricky. Je suis beau. Now, je, let's translate. I, suis is am, beau is what? Handsome. Now, a girl cannot say handsome. What she'll say? She is pretty or beautiful. So, I, girl can use the same pronoun. I am, and then beautiful. Handsome, opposite is beautiful. So, girl will say beautiful. So, I am beautiful. So, in French now translated. So, je suis belle. So, beau is handsome and belle is feminine adjective, which means beautiful. So, now this is a feminine sentence. Je suis belle. One last sentence. Vous êtes grand. Now look at the sentence very carefully. Vous êtes grand. Now grand is having a S, which means your vous êtes is in the plural form. Please go through the video of pronoun. I have explained that vous is used for both masculine, feminine, singular and plural. So a request that go through this video. I'll put the link in the description box. So vous êtes grand. Now translate it into English. So vous êtes is plural, so it will be you all. Et will be are. You all are tall or big. Okay. Feminine will be same. You all are tall or big. Now what you are going to do in French? Vous êtes remains the same. So vous êtes, so vous êtes, and now grand. So grand, put the spelling of adjective grand, and then it will take a E and a S to make it feminine. So it becomes grand. Okay, vous êtes grand. So by reading this sentence, you will understand that this is, we are addressing a group of female. Vous êtes grand means you all are tall. Clear? Thank you for watching. Please like the video and please subscribe. Thank you.